Okay, so recently our old fridge has been leaking whenever we try to dispense ice, and a few other problems too. The freezer didn't work. This is our new one. I think it's pretty cool. It looks like a mirror, but if I that's yeah. Not only that, if I it can do that with this little thing at the bottom,
Okay, no worries.
which is also pretty cool.
Not urgent. The lock that you installed seems to be working backwards. So basically, instead of requiring
Shadow, you're freaking out.
to unlock the door, it requires the code to lock the door. It does not require a code to unlock the door. So when I looked this up, it was
This here water
what I thought. So I thought I would
cubed,
back to you. It does
crushed, I think,
part, I guess.
water.
In order to reset it so that I no longer have to require a code.
Nothing yet. Oh. But yeah, I thought it was pretty neat.